Ohio, called Wilson's Garden Center, and I just walked in and there's a really beautiful variety of plants here. Look at these Ficus benjamini. There's the yellow and green variegated one, and there's the white and green variegated one. It's beautiful. This huge Ficus Audrey. It's a beautiful tree. It is a Dieffenbachia, 40 bucks. Look at this huge snake plant. It is 180 bucks though. It's huge. It's probably like 2 feet diameter. So I'm gonna go check out what else they have there. That was just at the entrance. What kind of ficus is this? It has like smaller leaves. It's a little fiddle. There we go. And look at their cactuses. They're so cool. They're like huge. They are expensive, but these are nice old cactuses. This one's Cactus San Pedro, $90. I really like these pencil cactuses. 50 bucks for a really, I mean I don't know how old that is. That's a decent plant. Jade plants. This one's $60. It's beautiful though. A nice Benjamina tree here. And I don't even know what these are. It's called a strawberry tree. I've never even seen, I don't even know what those are. I'll have to research them when I get home. Huge rubber plants for 60 bucks. No, 50 bucks. Look at this huge Euphorbia cactus for 230 bucks. That's probably like 3 or 4 feet tall already though. These are so cool. Old man cactus for 180 bucks, like 2 feet tall. Oh, their string of hearts are sold out. I don't see them anywhere here unless this is the string of pearls. $5.99 for this little thing. I don't see string of hearts. $60 for this one. That looks cool. That's a Cactus Opuntia prickly pear. 70 bucks. Nice shape on that. This is a beautiful one. That one looks funky. Monstrosus cactus, $200. A nice decent sized cactus, because usually you get something like this. That's a really good decent sized cactus already. Yeah, look how beautiful these are. $8 for this. That looks really cool. So pretty. Yeah, like even these look so cool already. Opuntia cactus. Really nice shape on that already. I'm gonna go to this end and then we'll go to the other end because we're like in the middle right now. These are the other Benjaminas. I really like these variegated ones. I would totally buy both of these. They look like really nice healthy plants. Monstera deliciosa for 40 bucks. It's a nice, huge plant. And this is the citrus. So this orange tree, how many gallons is this pot? Valencia orange for 150 bucks. You can see that. Does it say how many gallons? Has beautiful oranges on it already. It's a number 10 pot. But 100, how much did I say? 150 bucks for this. This was probably like 70 bucks. This size at the Lowe's Garden Center in Venice, Florida that I just uploaded that video. If you want to check that out, that was pretty cool. They don't have the really huge lemon tree anymore. Remember the huge one? That was like 500 bucks. Okay. And I don't even know what these are. It has actual fruits on it. It's called a green wax jambu. A rare variety, green wax jambu produces a pear-shaped fruit. Its crisp, juicy flesh makes it a refreshing, healthful snack. And it already has these fruit on it. If you can see, this will focus. Look at that.
They actually do look like wax, don't they?
Yeah. They're so cool. There's a fruit down there that fell off. I'm gonna go look at it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so interesting. Does it say how much this is? No, not really. That's so cool though. Black pepper plant, 70 bucks. Cacao plant. These monsteras are really pretty. I don't have room for those in my house anymore. Look at all these rubber plants. You have the Ficus elastica taniki. This is a taniki variety. This one is ruby red. And these ones are burgundy blush. Beautiful. What is this? Miracle fruit? Everything sour will taste super sweet for up to an hour after eating just one fruit, making lemons taste like lemonade. That's crazy. Never heard of that before. These are little dwarf bananas. This one's pretty. It's $10 for this little Musa dwarf Cavendish banana. Oh no! It fell. Okay, I'm gonna go walk across to the other side. Spindle palm. How much is this here? 120 bucks for this. Oh, different kinds of Sansevierias. This has a really nice variety of Sansevierias. Look at all of these. Wow. Black coral one. Francisi. ZZ plant. Dang, look at this huge ZZ for $120. This is a dwarf Zenzi plant. Interesting. This pretty grayish leafed one, like a silvery leaf. Bantal Sensation has like more of a skinnier, erect leaf. 20 bucks for that. Oh, white night owl. Look how beautiful that is. That's a beautiful Sansevieria. Really pretty. It's the last one of these ones. I don't see any more of those. People bought them up. Ferns on this side. Staghorn ferns. Maidenhair ferns. I love ferns. They're so beautiful. Bird nest champion fern. That looks pretty. Look at this fern. Just an exotic fern is called. That's beautiful. Kangaroo paw fern. Looks like it's the last one here. Different kind of palms. Lemon button fern. I just bought this at Lowe's. Like a really actual big plant for $10. This one's pretty small for $6.99. Elkhorn dwarf fern. Look at how dense that foliage is in there. Can't even. That's interesting. It's a pretty gray foliage on that. Aglonema, $22. Low light. Look at these beautiful bromeliads also. Swiss cheese vine. 35 bucks. Yeah. It's beautiful. Oh, look at this bird of paradise. How much is that? I bet it's like 150 bucks. 130 bucks. Spindle palms for 150 bucks. It looks like those, you know those cards where you move them and they have a different image? It's like iridescent or something.
It looks like
It's like an
plastic,
optical
like
illusion.
a plastic fake plant.
Yeah. Birkin philodendron for $25. Aren't Birkins like kind of rarish? I heard. I mean, the leaves are beautiful on that. Look at those leaves.
Finish one with it?
No, I had like a maidenhair fern. It kind of looks similar, but this is an angel vine. It looks really pretty. It's like it does look like a maidenhair fern. It's very delicate. $12.99. That's really pretty. And they shaped it into shapes up there. Oh look, they trained these Scheffleras into like little braids. This is Schefflera arboricola. $24.99. Look, all variegated ones. And these are houseplants for us here, and in Florida they're called landscape plants. If you watch my other video. Aw, this is pretty. Look how pretty that is. Peperomia frost. $10.99. That's a beautiful color. It's like a silver color. Really pretty. Another peperomia. Caparata rosso. That's also interesting. Another peperomia, Golden Gate. This one's another Peperomia. It doesn't say the variety on this one. I would totally buy this if we weren't leaving. We're gonna leave to travel soon here. Look at this plant. Piggyback plant. It demands very little from you because sprout from the base of the it's piggyback on the old one. That's interesting. Lipstick plant, zebra plant, gardenias, anthuriums, neon pothos, Hoyas. This is a variegated hoop Hoya, 40 bucks. This one is a public calyx, $24.99. Crotons. Pink fairy arrowheads. Tradescantia. Ficus. Laratas. Dwarf bambinos. Jungle cat calathea. That's beautiful. The underside is purple and the top side is like a beautiful variegation. Ruby decora plant, ficus. Robusta taniki ficus. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's an alpine schefflera. Dang. So this is a schefflera. Look how huge this is. The leaves. Look how it unfolds. That's interesting. Rattlesnake plant. I think that's about it. We walked through the indoor house plant section. Really pretty varieties here. Look, it's a tea plant. A Camellia sinensis. Large leaf tea. Look how pretty the flowers are though on that. I don't know if you'll see them. Those are some beautiful flowers. So this is what they make tea out of. 40 bucks. It's pretty expensive, but this is the last one here. That's so awesome. I want one. I love tea. That's all I drink. I'm not a coffee person, so.